Hey guys, what's up? It's Ray from Pretty Little Russet. I'm currently in DC and as you can see from the front, went to Whole Foods, got some food to eat. So let's get into this food. So we got a lobster bisque. I had to put it in the big container because they did not have tops for the small one. We got Olipop, ginger lemon, and cherry cola. It's my first time trying these. It's really good. For my salad, we have green goddess dressing and Caesar. Here's the salad. Lettuce, spinach, feta, radish, cucumbers, carrots, and edamame. I got some pita bread just because. And from the hot food, I got some sweet potatoes, a vegetable egg roll, some vegetable fried rice, some garlic, cabbage, broccoli. This is roast pork, and I have two types of wings, teriyaki and Korean barbecue. Alright, about to get into this lobster bisque. Consistency is good. Let's see. Tastes pretty good. Only other place I really like lobster bisque from is from Red Lobster. It's really good, but this is good too. If you can't get to Red Lobster, go to Whole Foods. Like I said, it's my first time. It's so good. Ginger lemon. Comment below what's your favorite flavor so I can try it. I'm gonna finish eating this soup and I'll be back with the main course. Okay, that's bustin'. Whole Foods, get tops for the small soup containers, please. Again, let's get into this food, see how this tastes. Vegetable fried rice. I could use some salt or something. Sweet potatoes. Let me taste how a sweet potato would taste. A vegetable egg roll. This is good. Sorry, this is really good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I got more of these. You have this garlic cabbage. Nice crunch. I don't really taste garlic. Not bad though. And I have Korean barbecue chicken wing. Pretty good. I'm not gonna eat the rice anymore because that is no flavor at all. This right here, everything. Try the roast pork. Clean my palate. And I'm gonna try the pork. It's really good. Okay. Now we have teriyaki chicken wing. Rice on it. Teriyaki chicken wing. This is actually good. I think it's better than the Korean barbecue.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Yeah. I got this. I'm not sure if it was sesame. It was with the broccoli, but chicken. Crunchy. Tastes good. I tried the broccoli. I mean, you can't really mess up broccoli, right? It's just steamed broccoli. No seasoning. I still love it though. So, out of everything, the only thing I didn't like was the rice. The vegetable fried rice. It has eggs and peas and carrots in it. It has no flavor. The sweet potatoes were good. This vegetable egg roll is hitting. The pork is good. Pork is good. Even though I don't really taste garlic, the cabbage is good. It has a nice crunch to it. It's not soggy. The chicken wings were good. But the teriyaki chicken, a teriyaki chicken is way better than a Korean barbecue chicken. So, if you don't know, Whole Foods, I'm about to say Trader Joe's. Whole Foods has hot food. Go try it out. Comment below what your favorite hot food is from Trader. Comment below what your favorite hot food is from Whole Foods. Let me know so I can try it out next time I go. This is Ray again with Pretty Little Russet. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time.